Hi guys, my name is Alexandra and welcome to Creative 404. In today's video we're going to do another unboxing of an LLL surprise doll. As you can see, I have quite the collection of dolls now. This is mostly my Rainbow High dolls, but I did get the Spicy Babe doll. I tried to do an unboxing. Oh my god, I got something in my eye. I tried to do an unboxing and she didn't make it to the camera because the camera died and I didn't know it. So I unboxed her and she never made it to the camera and I'm so sad. And I got something in my eye. Sorry. So today we are going to unbox 24K DJ. And I am really excited because I think she's going to look amazing. I haven't seen her in person. Her box just leaves her very mysterious. Like it has her like completely like phased out. You can't even see her. But you get a little bit of glimpses of her on the side and she is dark on the back. They kind of gave her like a shadow. But of course I looked her up online before I bought her because I have to see the doll before I buy the doll, and these blind boxes just really aren't for me. Like I wouldn't have thought this was a doll if I didn't know from looking online. So first things first, we're going to remove this protector. This one's a little bit crazy. So, you ready? There's the doll! Yay! I can't see her when y'all see her. So let's see. Oh my goodness. I love... Okay, so here's her on the side, her illustration. Okay, and it reveals her when you open it. Oh, I love her. Oh, she's so adorable. These girls are so nice. And I'm going to be careful this time so I don't scratch another doll with my X-Acto knife. Now, someone told me they actually have bendy legs. They're the clicky legs. I'm not sure. I still enjoy having them with actual joints in the legs. And I tried clicking her legs earlier and they don't really have that much motion to them. So I am not too terribly impressed. Also, I found out that this thing comes out, which is really nice. I also realized I can pull the tabs out of her head easier. This one did not come out nicely. Oh, that one didn't do, that did the same thing. I hate the tabs in the head because you always end up with these little plastic things and later on they just get in the way. And you can feel it when you mess with her hair. As a kid, they used to bother the hell out of me. As an adult, they bother me even more. Okay, there we go. I just pushed it inside the head. Let's push this one. There's two of them in her head. Okay, I pushed the other one inside their head. So the little plastic pieces don't bother you when you're like messing around with her hair. Oh my god, she has such cute curly hair. It's adorable. She has like this ring that is, it looks like it says Lego, but it probably doesn't. It probably says something else like LOL. No, it says DJ. Okay. Since she's 4K DJ. Cool. Or 24K DJ. I love her little bralette. I think this is just adorable. She has such big hips. The fact that these dolls have such big hips and such tiny waists is just so cute. Let's see what bag she came with. Any hints? It's probably this round bag. Oh yes, it is. And it's open. Oh, it's a little record player. Oh, how cool. You can't have it, Lulu. Ah, that's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my god. Let's get your stand out. Oh, I just realized that my Spicy Girl didn't come with a hairbrush. If she did, then I need to relook in her package because I did not see one. Oh, interesting. This one comes with a smaller stand. How cute. There's like a little small stand. Did yours come with it? Oh, yours did come with like something underneath. Oh, cool. I'm just going to fling you all over the place, girl. I love the fact that these dolls come with stands, especially for those that are just collectors. Because then you can just display them. Excuse me. Then you can just display them. And it's just so much nicer that way. I like this smaller stand. I wonder how it works. Do I have to put you in this way? I don't know how the smaller stand works. I know the big stand, you click this in here. There we go. And then this thing goes here. I don't know what the smaller stand is for. I don't know how it works just yet. But let's put you on your stand, girl. There we go. Oh, there's little instructions. The little stand goes on top. But what's the use in case she wants her to sit down or something? It says that this small stand, this one right here, this little flat one, actually goes on top if you want something to do, I guess like a chair. That would make a good chair. But I don't really like it as a chair. We'll keep you as a chair. A chair with a clicky middle piece so that you can sit. There we go. I don't like it as a chair, but that's fine. Let's see what other stuff she comes with. Alright. This one came taped together. Oh, it's really taped. I like the other ones that weren't taped. Tape is my fiend. My arch nemesis, the tape. There we go. You're a Taurus. How cute. I love how these girls come with like zodiacs. I love zodiacs. Let's see your shoes. A size 6.5. These girls got tiny feet. Some golden boots. Yeah, I love gold. All right, what's in the hat box? It's a golden hat box. We have, oh my goodness, she has headphones. Oh, that is cool. She has some golden chains. And she has earrings that say DJ. That is neat. And they look like they have record stuff on them. She doesn't come with bracelets. That's fine. Look how the packaging is so nice. It still reminds me of the discreet, pad packaging for feminine hygiene because it has that texture and feel. But man, if the discreet packaging for the female hygiene stuff came as cute as this, that is so fashionable. Look at that. This one has like little record players and headphones on it and chains in the background. I love it. There has got to be something I can do with the packaging because I think the packaging is just adorable. Like, it has to be used for something. There has got to be some crafty thing I can come up with. Yay! Golden, look at this, a golden blazer. And it's kind of shedding, but it's like it has the fur lining. It has, oh my goodness. It's so cool. All right, let's see what's in the other packaging. Little pants. I love the records on this. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna be a pack rat and keep that. Look at these pants. Oh my god, they're like MC Hammer kind of pants. Except they're like, oh, they're actually more like cargo pants, but they're so cute. They have a little fly. It isn't a working fly, but it's adorable. I love the chains on the side. I love the little fake flaps for the cargos, and I like the golden stripes. This is a really cute little design. Come off your seat and let's put on your clothes. All right, girl. Pants for these hips and those waists must be really difficult for them to make because I cannot even imagine sitting down and making clothes for her. Oh my goodness. They're just so small. Like, I have a hard enough time making clothes for mini Blythes, let alone petite Blythes. And here's this LOL doll that is just, she just has such large hips and such a tiny waist. I'm probably supposed to take the pants off, but her underpants, but she's gonna keep her underpants. Let's put some shoes on. I'm not sure if my little cousins like dolls. They never really showed any interest in dolls before. I was a really big doll person when I was a kid. So, I mean, I was well into my my mid-teens. I was still very much into dolls. I felt a little bit self-conscious about it towards 12 years old because you get kind of made fun of after that age when it comes to playing with the Barbie dolls and things like that. But after a while, you learn to just not care. Oh, there's like a little fly that wants to say hello. And, but the older you get, the less you care anymore about what other people think. And I think that is far healthier than sitting there worrying about other people dictating your life. Because your life, you choose how you want to live it, and everything else in between. These girls have the cutest little tank tops. Put your DJ earrings. But yeah, I used to play with dolls when I was little, and so I was wondering if maybe my cousins would like little dolls like this. I know that one of them really liked blind boxes, so I wonder if she would really love to have an LOL doll, because it would be really cute to see her with them on and playing around with the doll, because I think she would enjoy the blind box doll kind of situation. I'm taking the seat off because I don't like the seat. I want you to be standing up with all my other girls looking fabulous. There we go. I love her. She's actually one of my favorites. I still like Sweets a lot because she was just so surprising. But I love the gold on her. I am really digging how that looks. I think it looks fantastic. She is just beautiful. I love how soft and fluffy her hair is. I loved her fashion sense. I didn't really like Spicy Girls fashion, unfortunately. I thought it was a little too much with the leather and the red. But the gold and the black is pretty cute, and I love it, especially with the purple hair. I think it's adorable. And I really enjoy how she looks. So here she is. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. If you wanted to add a comment, feel free to comment. I do reply to all of my comments because I love interacting with all of you. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye now.